مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
Hello, welcome to Unit 4, Lesson 3, Vocabulary. It's me, Mr. Osama Abdurrauf, introducing this lesson to my good students. As you know, Unit 4 is called Pack Your Bags. That's why most of the words are related to travel and traveling. As we always did, let's first check your homework. Open your workbooks, page 41, to check exercises B and C. Exercise B. The answers are as follows. 1. Picturesque. 2. Link. 3. Uninhabitable. 4. Lying around. 5. Deteriorated. 6. Transfer. 7. Take action. I'm quite sure that all of you did the exercise well. Now let's check the answers of exercise C. Exercise C answers are as follows. Down. 1. Yes, leaflet. 2. Recognize. 3. Severity. 4. Itinerary. 6. Gaze. Across. Number 5. Stunning. Number 7. Diverse. Number 8. Depart. Number 9. Occasionally. Now it's time to start our lesson for today. Our today's lesson is vocabulary. It will be in your student books page 54 and in your workbooks page 42. Today's objectives are as follows. At the end of the period, my good students should be able to 1. Fill in the spaces with words from the lists given. 2. Use reading strategies to guess the meanings of words from contexts. 3. Look up new words in the dictionary. I mean Cambridge Online Dictionary. Let's start. Open your student books page 54 to do exercises A and B. Exercise A. Exercise A is divided into 5 parts. In each part, you have to fill in the spaces with the words given in the list. After finishing each part, you'll be given a chance to look up the words in the dictionary, Cambridge Online Dictionary. Let's start with part 1. In part 1, you have 4 words and you have to fill in the spaces in the 4 sentences using the 4 words. I'll give you the chance to pause the video now and do the exercise. I mean the first part of the exercise. Go on. I think it's very easy. Let's check the answers together. Number 1. My father always tells me that broadens the mind. Yes, traveling or travel broadens the mind. 2. It's a 5-hour, yes, journey or trip to get from here to Madrid. Number 3. We're planning on taking a guided, yes, tour of Paris when we go there. And finally, number 4, my friends and I went on a trip, correct, to Miami last week. We deserve the rest after our exams. Now it's time to use Cambridge Online Dictionaries. Here are the words illustrated with pictures, and all we have to do is to click on each picture to be directed to Cambridge Online Dictionaries. Here we go.
tour, tour,
tour, tour,
journey, journey,
journey, journey,
travel, travel,
travel, travel,
travel, travel,
travel, travel,
trip, trip,
trip, trip,
Here is part 2 of exercise A. Here we have only 3 words and we have to fill in the spaces with them. Again, pause the video for 2 minutes and then play it back to find or to check your answers. Go on. Let's discuss the 3 words together before checking your answers. Voyage. A voyage is a trip, but on the sea. What about excursion? Excursion is also a trip, but it's one of those trips that are designed or planned for pleasure. And finally, expedition. Expedition is a trip, but for scientific reasons. So the answers are as follows. Number 5. A or an, across the Atlantic Ocean. Ocean, you know the ocean is a big sea, right? So here the word is voyage. Okay. What about 6? The purpose of the space was for the scientists to explore Antarctica. So, yes, the answer here is expedition. Let's move to number 7. My son's class is going on a or an to the aquarium tomorrow. Yes, it's a trip for fun. Yes, excursion. Again, it's time to click on the pictures to look the words up in the dictionary. Go on.
voyage, voyage,
voyage, voyage,
excursion, excursion,
excursion, excursion,
expedition, expedition,
expedition, expedition,
Exercise A, Part 3. In Part 3, we have 4 words: hotel, resort, hostel, and suite. Pause the video, do the exercise, and then play the video again to check your answers. Here are the answers. Number 8, we went to a ski, yes, resort, and spent the whole weekend on the slopes. 9, the famous writer stayed in a luxurious space at the Hilton. Yes, suite. What about number 10? We should stay at A. It will cost less. Yes, hostel. And finally, number 11. Vector ordered room service and spent the night in his space room. Yes, hotel room. Dear students, thank you for your great effort. But again, let's click on the pictures to look up the words in Cambridge Online Dictionaries.
hotel, hotel,
hotel, hotel, resort, resort,
resort, resort,
hostel, hostel,
hostel, hostel,
suite, suite,
sweet, sweet,
Exercise A, Part 4. In Part 4, we have 3 words: cabin, cottage, and caravan. Pause the video, fill in the spaces with the 3 words, and replay the video to check your answers. Here are the answers. Sentence number 12. A, space is very convenient because you can go wherever you like and you don't have to spend time looking for accommodation. Yes, true, caravan, because it's moving, right? Number 13. My grandmother lives in a charming brick space in the countryside. Yes, true, cottage. And finally, number 14. The hikers found shelter from the storm in a log space in the mountains. Yes, true, cabin. Look at the pictures of the 3 words. Let's click on them to look up the words in Cambridge Online Dictionary.
cabin, cabin,
cabin, cabin,
cottage, cottage,
cottage, cottage,
caravan, caravan,
caravan, caravan,
Exercise A, Part 5. In Part 5, we have 6 words, but I think you are familiar with most of them. The words are arrive, get, reach, come, approach, appear. As usual, pause the video, fill in the spaces, and replay the video again to check your answers. Here are the answers. 15. Walid was gazing at the sunrise when a ship space from the left. Yes, appeared. Correct. 16. Whose space with us to the beach? Yes, who's coming? So come here should be modified to be coming. Number 17. We space at the airport late. Of course, we arrived at the airport late and missed our flight. Number 18. How can I space to? Yes, get to. Get to means to reach the travel agents from here. Number 19. As the boys space the forest, they noticed a path leading to the river. Yes, approached. Approach means to get near to some place. Yes, finally, number 20. Khalifa didn't space the campsite till midnight. Yes, didn't reach the campsite till midnight. He was exhausted. For the last time today, we're gonna click on the pictures to check the words or to look the words up in the dictionary. Go on.
arrive, arrive,
arrive, arrive.
Get. Get.
Get, get.
Reach. Reach.
reach, reach,
Come. Come.
Come, come.
approach, approach,
Approach, approach.
appear, appear,
Appear, appear.
Exercise B. Use the prepositions in the box below to complete the prepositional phrases that have been used in the following sentences. Then check your answers using a dictionary. Actually, you have to do the dictionary part yourself. Now pause the video, fill in the spaces with the correct preposition, and after that play the video to check your answers. Here are the answers. Number 1. I really enjoyed my holiday last year as everything was space walking distance. Yes, within walking distance, and I didn't need to worry about how to get around. Number 2. Although there are some hotels that provide luxurious accommodation space the city center, yes, in the city center, the best hotels are mainly located, yes, in the suburbs. Number 3. Space, my way to the airport. Yes, on my way to the airport, I realized that I had forgotten to take my luggage. Number 4. After traveling for hours, I was surprised to find a beautiful oasis space, the middle. Yes, in the middle of nowhere. Number 5. The yacht was floating just space the southern coast. Yes, off the southern coast of the peninsula. Number 6. The ski resort had an amazing view of the valley below, as it had been built space the edge of a cliff. Yes, on the edge of a cliff. Number 7. Space the distance. Yes, in the distance. We could see a monument of a historical figure, space the top. Yes, on the top of the hill. Number 8. The health resort I went to was, space, the outskirts of London. Yes, on the outskirts of London. Actually, you've done a great job so far, my good students. Now let's move to your homework for today. Open your workbooks, page 42, and your homework will be exercise A. Have a look at exercise A. You have to choose the correct word to fill in the spaces in 6 sentences. Good luck with it. Till we meet again, goodbye and thank you for your attention.